Hello, if you are wondering how you can check your current charging speed of the Samsung A37 5G, well, in my opinion, the best way and the most accurate way is just to get a cable with screen. So now take a look. If I'm gonna plug it in, it will just exactly show you what is the charging speed right now, almost in every second, because this information is changing in every second. So for me right now, I believe that it will reach around 40 watts because the battery is warm a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna reach 37 and 36, and that's how we can do this. And what is this cable? Well, basically it's the same cable, but it's made in China, but they are branding this in some brands. They are putting just its name, but it's just made in the same manufacturer, so you can just basically purchase any charging cable with the screen and it will work in the most cases the same. The difference might be in the charging speed. This one is actually 100 watts, so pretty fast cable. But you can purchase this on Amazon, Temu, or any other store.